So one of the really awesome things about RaceTab is that we try to be really simple on the front end so that somebody, kind of the new users can just use it and it's kind of obvious how to use and it's very straightforward. But we also want to appeal to the power users. So there's kind of two levels of power users. There's the power users who are just really great timers and really experienced, but there's also kind of the more techies who like to really get under the hood. And actually RaceTab makes it really easy to dig right into the database itself, and we actually expose that. And so what you can do is go open this tab up here, and you click on database. You could actually browse the raw data. Now that's going to be intimidating for most people, but some people it won't be. And you can actually just run these raw queries in here. And for example, you can do update, not just select queries, but update and delete queries and insert queries and whatever you wanted to from here. And we can actually even delete rows manually in here as well. Now this can be dangerous if you don't know what you're doing, but one other thing that most people don't realize is if you actually browse into program files, into the RaceTab program files, you'll find this file in here called database.txt. Well, if you open this up, this is actually a human readable kind of schema of what the actual data is. So this is a real way, if you do like to get your hands dirty, you can go in here and see what the schema is and know what you have to work with, and use your imagination. There's a lot you can work with. RaceTab actually parses this every time it starts up. So while this is designed to be human readable, it actually is parsed as well, and it helps us to update the database schema whenever RaceTab starts. So anyway, back in RaceTab itself, one thing I want to show you is, like, for example, grade. Let's say we don't have the grades populated, and we wanted to just set everybody's grade to something, right? So we could set the grade to 12, and then when we go back to the athletes tab and we refresh this, all of a sudden everybody has a grade. We can modify it from there, of course, like normal. But so again, you can do anything you want if you know your way around SQL, and now that you know how to look at the database structure.